Tejas. Having zoomed into the sky, watch as he inverts his aircraft and pulls through for a split S, turning her around in no time, demonstrating the effectiveness of this aircraft in combat. As she re-emerges in front of you from the right, Tolly will be carrying out a hesitation roll to demonstrate the agility and the controllability of the aircraft. And here she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait for it. A bonus. A bogey has been reported at 6 o'clock and Tolly has been asked to engage. There she pulls up for a vertical pitchback and re-emerging like the term radiance, which means Tejas in Hindi. He will now turn hard left with maximum rate to get the angles right for a quick burst of the 23mm gun. And here she goes. And the threat ceases to exist. Please look to your left now as Tolly positions for what we call the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the envelope. The aircraft is subject to a negative 3.5 G. Watch on your left, coming up to the center. There she goes, banking right, turning left. Rolling out, next up is an aerial salute to the wonderful people of the United Arab Emirates who have made this land so prosperous, and of course His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. Please look straight ahead of you as Tolly positions himself for a vertical Charlie. Watch as he prepares to pull up into the sky, flaunting his Delta platform, Tahiyya Emirati. Continue looking out. Now here she comes for the Formula 1 turn. Watch as she manages to squeeze in a turn tighter than Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari. Do not take your eyes off him as he positions for the slow march. This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional low-speed capability of the aircraft. Please keep looking for your left as Tolly starts knocking off some knots and flies by you at a staggering speed of just 120 knots. Here she comes on the left. He is engaged to burn out of the beast behind the seat and watch him zoom into the sky with a high reserve of thrust. And now watch him as he positions himself off a split S for the last maneuver, the Spider-Man farewell. Tolly will now roll and invert his bird and bid farewell, Spider-Man style. Please wave your hands at him as he flies past inverted. Atmanirbhar or Saksham, which means self-reliant and capable. That is the message we bring to you through this beauty of a machine, taking in terms which all aviators and aviation enthusiasts understand all too well. As Tolly positions on downwind for a curved approach to land, let me take this time to tell you a little about the aircraft. Built by HAL, the Tejas is a single-seat, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft with a modern avionics and electronic warfare suite. As equipped with a full glass cockpit, it is also capable of air-to-air refueling and delivering air-to-air and air-to-ground ordnance. A word about the operational employment of the aircraft. The Tejas is capable of operating at airfields at altitudes up to 10,000 feet above mean sea level and has been tried and tested in all types of climates, temperatures and terrain in India. We have touchdown. After an exhausting display, it's time to head back to the pavilion for a chill mug of beer. And that's it from me at the Tejas commentary team. This is Timmy signing off. Shukran.